Hello everybody! I have something really cool to share with you today as we get ready for this next episode of Good Tech Cheap. It's a portable monitor from Oiiwak, and it's quite awesome. Hey everyone, what's up, and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host Kevin. Thank you for joining. Do me a little favor if you can. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop another episode of Good Tech Cheap. Alright, today, yes, something really cool. I mentioned it in the open. Now it's time to deliver. It's an 18.5 inch portable monitor from Oiiwak. It has a lot of really neat features. It comes with some cool accessories. It's very customizable. It's very lightweight. And I know, I'm very happy to share this. You can connect it to your monitor with a USB-C cable, and that powers it. And that's it. That's it. Let's unbox it and see what comes with it. And test it, shall we? Alright, let's do that. The Oiiwak 18.5 inch portable monitor, 100 Hz, a traveling gaming monitor with 1080p resolution, FHD, IPS. It's a frameless large second screen extender for a laptop with USB-C and HDMI ports, dual speakers, and a 180-degree foldable stand. So you've got a large screen here, but it's lightweight. The size of the portable monitor was taken to the extreme. It's a stunning 18.5 inches made of high-quality aluminum alloy. The advanced 920 by 1080p IPS display utilizes CNC cutting technology to enhance the overall aesthetic and increase stability. This lengthens the product's lifespan. It's only 2.4 pounds, that's 1.15 kilograms, with 5 millimeters of thickness. It also supports reverse charging for devices. The Oiiwak portable travel monitor for your laptop is going to be your best life partner. You get a top-notch visual experience. You get exceptional display parameters including 115% sRGB, 95% DCI-P3, Delta E, less than 2, 16.7 million display colors, 72% NTSC, a 1000:1 contrast ratio, and 300 candles brightness. The high refresh rate of 100 Hz, FreeSync technology, and HDR mode, its outstanding display qualities provide vivid colors and realistic image effects, delivering an unparalleled visual experience. The Oiiwak portable second monitor for your laptop is a value for your money solution. The laptop screen extender monitor is designed with 4mm, that's 0.15 inches. It's an ultra-thin border on all three sides. The stand is 180-degree adjustable, and you have 75mm universal VersaHole and silicone pads at the bottom of the screen and stand, making it unlikely to tip over. You get a good grip with that. It's also anti-glare and has a blue light filter function, which gives you less eye fatigue and better protection for your eyes overall. It also possesses a 3.5mm headset jack, dual speakers, and it can enhance the entertainment experience when people use it. More space and more fun. This extra laptop monitor has 2 full-function USB Type-C ports and a mini HDMI port. It's cost-effective, it's widely compatible with laptops, tablets, mobile phones, Nintendo Switch, the Xbox, the PS3, 4, and 5. Please note though, when you buy it, and I found this out, the default brightness level is low, so press that brightness button and bring it right up to what you want. You can also switch out color, saturation, contrast. There are many functions that give you maximum usability with your monitor. Comes with the monitor itself, 18.5 inches, a mini HDMI cable, a USB-C cable, power cord, and an adapter. If there are any questions, customer service is just one click away. They respond at any time. There's a 1-year warranty and free return and exchange service within 30 days if you ever need it. And there's a professional after-sales team to provide you with a perfect shopping experience. Well, there you have it. Ultra lightweight. That screen is big and bright. You can control the contrast, the saturation, the tonality. The built-in speakers are a total plus. The headphone jack is a very intelligent choice. The fact that you can connect it to your laptop and so many other devices just so easily and so quickly, also great. I also like the fact that you can plug it into a wall outlet and that it actually comes with a converter to do so. The HDMI cable, also very, very handy. And the fact that it can reverse charge a laptop or other device when you have it plugged in, I mean, that's great. Price is good too. Want to check it out? There's a link in the description below. Please check it out right now. Well, that just about wraps it up for this video. I'd like to thank Oiiwak for sending us this very splendid, very portable, very lightweight, and very useful monitor. Once again, link in the description below. Please check it out. Also, thank you for watching this video. I've been your host, Kevin. Once again, if you can, please like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more cool videos about cool products, just like you saw in this video right now. From Los Angeles, California, stay safe, be kind. I'll see you next time.